I'm going to review the best air horns for trucks in the market for this year.
We may not get a chance to change the price mentioned in the video, but what we can do is we always provide links in the following description of the video from where you will be able to find the update prices of each product mentioned in the description. So if you look for the up-to-date price information, just make sure of watching the video till the end and click on the link to find out the current price and which product will be the best for you. If you feel that our video is quite helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like, share our video, and subscribe to our channel.
At number 1, Volvo 419 Batboy air horn.
This air horn's design is a unique one with no hoses added, as it does not require one. You will have no problem installing it because there's no complicated steps in getting the horn up and running. All you need to do is to take all the horn wires and transfer them to the compressor and you are set. Also, it includes only a bolt, and this is all you need to mount the air horn.
The most distinguishing feature of this horn is the blasting sound it makes, which can't be compared to other air horns in its category. At number 2, Zento Deals. If you are looking for an air horn that will catch attention, then you are in the right place. This air horn gives out sound pitch as high as 15 decibels in order to alert everyone of the truck's presence. In order to prolong the shelf life of the horn, the manufacturer uses quality material to make it with weather-resisting features. You will find it is quite easy to install on your truck, as long as it uses 12 volts DC power. Unlike some air horns, it will beautify your truck, with its shiny chrome taking its place on the mounting area. At number 3, Super Loud Macro Tornado. This air horn has been reviewed to be the loudest air horn used on trucks. It comes with 2 different tones, which you can use to communicate with other drivers and pedestrians alike. It features a guide application that gives directions to your destination while showing you the paths to take to avoid traffic. The app is now in the beta format, and you can download it to check out the features and explore the functions. Besides, the air horn has gone through tests that add to its credibility as a quality horn for trucks. It has a 2-year warranty.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.